everyone, welcome again to my channel, and for today's vlog, I show you how to make a basic soufflé Japanese cheesecake. This Japanese cheesecake, you cannot just stop eating this, guys, because it's really watering in your mouth, very soft and really creamy. And yeah, hope you try this, guys. So enjoy watching, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So enjoy watching, guys. Let's get started. So our ingredients is butter 50 gram, cheese and cream and cheese 160 gram, milk 60 gram, and vinegar 1 teaspoon, corn flour 15 gram, sugar 100 gram, and cake flour 60 gram. You can use also all-purpose flour, and 5 eggs. So the first thing we have to do is to separate the egg yolk from the egg whites, because later the egg whites will going to make a meringue or the main ingredients. So next is you have to boil water first and put another bowl to mix or to melt the cheese, cream and cheese, and the butter. So you have to mix. It's that easy to mix, to melt the butter and the cream and cheese. Mix until well combined and melt and become creamy.
I'm really fine. 아무렇지 않은 척 아무도 모르게 조심하는데 또 티가 났나 봐. I'm really fine. 너와 함께 했었던 시간이 길었어. 나 봐, 난 네 옷을 또 보고 있어. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I can't control. 생각했는데 추억이 잠시 널 떠올린 거야. Say I'm really fine. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I can't control. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I miss you, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 너무 어려워. 항상 이별은 쉽지 않아. 너와의
preheat oven and put water about 1.5 cup in a tray, and so that later you can put your cake. So, and set the time for about first is 20 minutes, and the temperature is 120 degrees Celsius for upper and lower heat and without fan. First step baking is done for 20 minutes, and let's set again for another 15 minutes. But we have to higher the volume of the temperature about 150 degrees Celsius. So, and then set the time for 15 minutes. Minutes is done for 150 degrees Celsius. So you have to off first and open it for about 20 seconds, 10 or 20 seconds, depend on you. Yeah, you have to air first. You have to count for 1 to 10 seconds and close it back. And then you have to set your time again. The temperature, well, it is 110 degrees Celsius and about 40 minutes for baking, for last part of baking.
Do you want to know? It's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and I'm smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow. For now, you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song. You know my heart, 'cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the
alright? Yeah, alright. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one who showed me if we're together.